Bollywood couple Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan's daughter Suhana gave a befitting reply to all the trolls in her latest Instagram post. Sharing a powerful note on social media along with her picture, she wrote, "There's a lot going on right now and this is one of the issues we need to fix. This isn't just about me, it's about every young girl or boy who has grown up feeling inferior for absolutely no reason. Here are just a few of the comments made about my appearance. I have been told I'm ugly because of my skin tone by full grown men and women since I was 12-year-old. Other than the fact that these are actual adults, what's sad is that we are all Indian, which automatically makes us brown. Yes, we come in different shades, but no matter how much you try to distance yourself from the melanin, you just can't. Hitting on your own people just means you are painfully insecure. I'm sorry if social media, Indian matchmaking, or even your own families have convinced you that if you are not 5'7" and fair, you are not beautiful. I hope it helps to know that I'm 5'3" and brown and I'm extremely happy about it, and you should be too." Suhana also shared screenshots of the comments that people have been posting on her account. Actor Sonu Sood has been honored with the prestigious SDG Special Humanitarian Action Award by the United Nations Development Programme (UNDP) for helping thousands of migrant workers reach home during lockdown. This is a rare honor. A UN recognition is very special. I have done whatever little I have done in my own humble way for my fellow countrymen without any expectations. However, to be recognized and awarded feels good. I fully support the UNDP in its endeavors to achieve SDG by 2030. Planet Earth and mankind will great benefit from the implementation of these goals, Sonu said. The award was presented to him via a virtual ceremony. Apart from arranging transportation facilities for migrant workers to help them reach homes during lockdown, Sonu also looked after the educational needs of underprivileged students. He recently launched an initiative to provide full scholarship for higher education to students facing financial challenges. Bollywood actress Kajol is quite active on social media. Recently, she uploaded beautiful pictures of herself on Instagram. In the photos, Kajol can be seen giving different poses. Kajol will soon make her digital debut with Ribhanga, directed by Renuka Shahane. It is a drama set in Mumbai and across 3 generations of the same family. Akshay Kumar and Vaani Kapoor have finished their Glasgow schedule for the upcoming film Bell Bottom. They are now set to shoot in London. Akshay posted an Instagram picture featuring his wife Twinkle Khanna and son Arav, who are currently with him in the UK, along with the cast and crew of the film. "So many happy faces in one frame, that's the result of good schedule," he wrote in the caption. Bell Bottom is a spy thriller film directed by Ranjit M. Tiwari, set in the 1980s. It also stars Lara Dutta and Huma Qureshi and is slated for an April 2021 release. Megastar Amitabh Bachchan on Tuesday took to Twitter to reveal that he has officially become an organ donor. He wrote, "I am a pledged organ donor. I wear the green ribbon of its sanctity." In another tweet, he wrote, "In fulfillment of ancestors, in the remembrance of them that lived in time, to give us this today, honor for them done. May their blessings be with us ever. Know the deed be not ever disclosed. They that know shall ever know." Big B is currently hosting the 12th season of Kaun Banega Crorepati. On the Bollywood front, he will next be seen in Brahmastra. Bollywood actor Aftab Shivdasani has tested negative after briefly battling COVID-19. The actor took to his verified Twitter account on Tuesday to share the news. "Hi everyone, I am very happy and relieved to be sharing with all of you that I did my COVID test again and by the grace of God, the reports came negative. Thank you for all your support and good wishes. Please know that this illness is very treatable and less than 20% cases are severe and need hospitalization. Most of the people recover with medication at home, so please do not panic even if unfortunately you get it. I once again humbly request and reiterate the importance of maintaining a social distance, using mask and sanitizer until the pandemic is over. Stay safe and protect your loved ones." tweeted Aftab. Earlier this month, Aftab had informed on social media that the news he had tested COVID positive. The actor had shared having minor symptoms like dry cough and mild fever.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.